Morning, 8th class children, get ready for class. Uh, Open textbook, notebook, and take pen. Be ready. We are doing exponent problems in previous classes. Now, few more problems. 11. We did this third one. Page 47. 2 power 1 by 1 plus a power n minus m plus 1 by 1 plus a power m minus n. Simplify. According to here 1 by 1 plus a power n by a power m, because minus according to quotient law, by minus means by, plus means into, plus let us simplify this. 1 by a to the power of m plus a to the power of m by a to the power of m. This a to the power of m will go up. A to the power of m by a to the power of m plus a to the power of n. This is the last step from the first term. Second term 1 by 1 plus a power m by a power n. This is plus 1 by this, it will go up. Taking LCM, a plus a power n plus a power m by a power n. This is a power n will go up. Now this is a power n by a power n plus a power m. Here both denominators are same. Take LCM. If it is a plus b, suppose, then it is b plus c. According to commutative property, both are same. Now LCM is a to the power of m plus a to the power of n. Same terms. Write here a power m plus same terms. Write here a power n. Both numerator and denominator is same. Its value is 1. Then fourth, x power a plus b whole square into x power b plus c whole square into x power c plus a whole square whole by x power a into x power b into x power c whole cube. Okay. First of all, let us expand. Expand a plus b whole square, expand b plus c whole square, expand c plus a whole square. Now, this is x power a square plus b square plus 2a into expand b plus c whole square. X power b square plus c square plus 2bc into this one. X power c square plus a square plus 2ca whole by x power power to power. It becomes 3a. It becomes 3b. It becomes x power a cube power to power 1. 3a only. 3a, 3b and 3c into. Now in multiplication added. First will be added. X power a square plus b square plus 2ab plus b square plus c square plus 2bc plus c square plus a square plus 2ca. Now here see a square, here a square. Right terms. A square x power 2a square plus b square 2b square 2b square plus c square 2c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca by x power 3a plus 3b plus 3c. Now, based in quotient form, quotient plan, ours will be subtract. Subtract the powers. Plus 3a will go by up to minus, and plus 3b will go as minus, plus 3c will go that up to as minus. A plus B plus C. A square plus B square plus 2ab is x power a into 3a here power to power question wrong. We are given 4 brackets square, 4 brackets square, 4 brackets square. Our to power multiply. It won't come under a plus b whole square, b plus c whole square. Power to power simply multiply. Now x power multiply. According to previous problem, that is correct. But here bracket is for whole. Now I have written like this, no? According to this a plus b whole square, we have to expand. But in the problem given like this. Problem change. Bracket change. Previous problem, I have written x power a plus b whole square. That is different. Now this different. Bracket is different. In previous problem, I have written like this, a plus b whole square. Means we have to expand a plus b whole square. So now multiply x power 2a plus 2b plus into x power 2b plus 2c into x power 2c plus 2a whole by x power 3a into x power 3b into x power 3c. Now 2a plus 2a powers are added. X power 2a plus 2a 4a into x power 2b plus 2b plus into x power 2c plus 2c whole by x power 3a plus 3b plus 3c. Bases are same, powers will be added. Now this is x power 4a plus 4b plus 4c, and this minus 2 in quotient law. According to quotient law, powers will be subtracted. So minus 3a minus 3b minus 3c. Now x power a plus b plus c is the answer. This is now multiple choice questions. Well, 4 power minus 1 plus 6 minus 1 plus 8 minus 1 bracket 0 equal to 8. 1 by 3 B 0 C 1 D minus 13 by 24. C, for any base, if the index is 0, for any base index is 0, its value is 1. C correct. We need not do any category. C correct. 1, because there is power is 0. So some students will take LCM 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. There is the problem, but by seeing power 0, 1, 13. x is equal to 5 by 8 minus 2 into 12, 15, 12 by 15 whole power minus 2. Then the value of x cube. X is given, he is asking x power minus 3 value. First let us simplify. Answers given: A 1 by 8, B 64, C 8, and D 1 by 64. Let us simplify. This x is equal to we can write as 8 by 5 squared minus 6 cancel. This is 15 by 12 minus cancel. We will reverse the fraction. Minus 2 minus remove. Now this is, let us simplify. X is equal to 8 by 5 into 8 by 5 into 15 by 12 into 15 by 12. Cancel. Simplify. 5 ones are 5 threes are. 5 ones are 5 threes are. 4 twos are 4 threes are. 3 cancel. 4 twos are 4 threes are. 3 cancel. And what are the numbers left? 2 into 2 left. X is equal to value, we get 4. 2 into 2, 4. But he is asking the value of x minus 3 is equal to 4 power minus 3. That is 1 by 4 cube. That is 1 by 64. Minus is there, right? This is reciprocal. This is D is that. D. Right. We have to simplify. And last problem in this exercise. 14. X is such that 81 minus 2 divided by 729 1 minus x is equal to 9 power 2x. Solve for x. Solve. We have to find the value of x. Solve. Solve means we have to find the value of x. Here the bases are 9. 81 can be written as 9 squared. 729 can be written as 9 cube. 9 9 is 81. 81 into 9. 729. Now see, we can write this as 81 minus 2 by 729 power 1 minus x is equal to 9 power 2x. Okay. Now we can write as 9 power, this is 9. Now 9 squared minus 2 by 9 cube minus 1 minus x. 1 minus x is equal to 9 power 2x. This can be written as 9 power minus 4. This is up now according to quotient law. This becomes minus 3 plus 3x is there. Minus 3x is equal to 9 power 2x. Now bases are same, we can cancel. Now minus 3x, here 2x. Minus 3x minus 7 is equal to 2x, and minus 3x will go that side as plus. Minus 7 is equal to 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. X is equal to minus 7 by 5. But after side didn't write. Uh, 9, 5 minus 4. 9 cube. 8 1 into 9. 1 minus x divided by, getting up to minus 1, minus 1. Yes, minus 1. Minus 1 means this is 3, no? 3 into 3 is there, so minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 3x becomes, after getting up to we get, okay, plus 3x, getting this side 7. Now x is equal to getting up to 3x minus x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. So answer is C. A value given 2, B value given minus 2, C value 7, D value minus 7. So answer is C. C. Answer is C. 14. Like this, you have to do. So you please practice all examples. Now, all bits are given. You practice. All answers I will explain next class. Thank you.